What's up everybody? Today we are making a primal version of one of my favorite foods, chicken nuggets. And I have to say, I'm a little bit of a nugget connoisseur. I ate my fair share of non-primal nuggets over the years, and I will say, these definitely stack up. My daughter was a big fan. I think I was probably a bigger fan. I ended up eating most of them. And to get started, you're gonna first take some dark meat ground chicken. For this video, I used a pound, and you're just gonna season it with salt and pepper. You're gonna lay out a sheet of parchment paper. I sprayed it down with some Primal Kitchen Avocado Oil so it wouldn't stick, and I measured out and scooped out my nuggets. Next, we're going to make our dipping batter that we're gonna dip our nuggets into. And we're gonna mix together a half cup of cassava flour, a half cup of arrowroot flour, a half teaspoon salt, a quarter teaspoon of garlic powder, a quarter teaspoon of onion powder, and about a cup of bubbly water. And we're gonna mix that all together, and what we're going for is about the consistency of pancake batter. Now it's time to take those nuggets that we made earlier. We're gonna first dip them in some cassava flour and then coat them lightly in the batter. Next, you're gonna want a pot or pan that you can fry in. If you have a deep fryer, you could use that. You could also try an air fryer. I've never used one, but I'd assume this recipe would work with that. But you're gonna take that pan. I'm gonna use a cast iron Dutch oven, and we are going to pour some avocado oil in there, let it get nice and hot. And then once it is, you are gonna start throwing your nuggets in there. And when your nuggets are nice and brown and crispy looking, you're gonna take them out, put them out on a plate over some paper towel so it can soak up some of the excess oil, let them cool down, and there you go. There's my daughter enjoying the nuggets with a little bit of Primal Kitchen ketchup. If you want to pick up some ketchup or any other Primal Kitchen product, you can head over to primalkitchen.com, use the code HELLO20, and you'll get yourself 20% off. Thanks for watching.